Welcome to Tangie Subtle Luxuries, and my name is Tanya Williams, where I share luxury fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So today I will be talking about some dupes for, remember my summer dresses? Because my Aunt Linda was like, ooh, those dresses are very pricey. And she was saying, well, I wish you could find some dupes. So Aunt Linda and the rest of my family, this is for you. So remember the sleeper dress that I showed you guys? The orange sleeper dress, which you'll see a picture right here of that dress. It was the orange one. And I really love that dress, but Aunt Linda did too. And she was stating that it was just too expensive. And also my girlfriend Tangie really liked that dress as well. Well, guess what? These are going to be all my Walmart finds of those dresses. And guess what? They are comparable to them, and they are the perfect substitution. And I love them, and I know you will love them too. So let's get on with what I found at Walmart. Okay, so that sleeper dress, it was absolutely beautiful. I love the dress, but guess what? I found one just like it. And guess what? I think I even like this one better because it has pockets in it. This dress is from, let's see what line. This dress is from the free assembly line at Walmart. And guess what? This dress is on sale for $18. Now that dress I showed you from Sleeper, I think that one retailed for $325 if I'm not short, but $18. You can't beat it. And guess what? This dress even has a split on one side. Now you can't beat that. The material is nice. It's 100% cotton. I love this dress. I have already worn it 2 times since I purchased it. And it is really nice. I mean, don't get me wrong. Now the sleeper one is nice, but the price isn't nice. And this is $18. And it will do the same thing as the sleeper one. Plus, this one has pockets, which the sleeper one does not. The only difference is that this is made of cotton, which is still cool, and the sleeper one is 100% linen. But it doesn't matter because both of them are breathable fabrics, and both of them will do the same, and they're both beautiful. And both of them come in different colors as well. So you can pick and choose your color. I just went for the blue and white dress because I don't have a long blue and white dress. And for summertime, I love these dresses because of the fact that they're breathable, and you can just wear less as possible. You don't have to put on Spanx with them. You don't, you can use the boob tape, or you can put on a strapless bra if you want to. The choice is up to you. But however, this isn't see-through here, so you can get away with this smocking without wearing a bra. And excuse my puppy for barking because she wants to get in the video, but I can't pick her up right now. So that's the first dress. Very beautiful, great option for the sleeper dress. I love it. So the next one we have, remember I showed you the flower dress you will see here from Macy's. Now that dress wasn't that pricey. I think the original price of that dress was like $90, and I think the sales price was $40. But it was a nice dress, and it wasn't that expensive. Now I'm looking at my phone because I have my notes. Well, I found a nice version that's even cheaper, okay? And this is from Time and True. Check this dress out. This thing is cute. Yes, look at it. It has the one shoulder detail, which I love. The dress that I showed you had the sleeves that came off the shoulder. But this one is just as cute. It has the colors. It has the floral pattern. This one has pockets. The other one did not have pockets. The one from Macy's, it did not have pockets. This one I love. It's 100% cotton. It's flowy. It's tiered. It's got the tiered ruffling at the bottom here. It's very pretty as well. It's cotton. It's just beautiful. And let me tell you the price of this one. This one is $22.98, so $23, which is 40. So that's saving you like what, like 17, $18 or something like that, $20. Well, savings is savings. And this is just as nice. It has pockets. I don't think the other one had, no, the other one from Macy's didn't have pockets. This one has pockets. I love pockets. That, it's just so nice. You can put your hands in, you can put your key fob in it, or you could put your card case in it. And these pockets are lined and they're deep in here. So this is a nice dress. You can also, I like it because it's flowy, it's billowy, as you can see in the cutaway. And it also has that smocking, which I love. The smocking is absolutely nice. It fits true to size. I would say with this one, because the smocking, it has some give. But however, the bottom part does not have give. This is like, it's straight and then it flows out. So if you need extra room, I would say I can't even talk right now. Sorry about that. I would say size up. Now, in both these dresses, I'm sorry, I didn't say before, I got in a size large. Like I told you before, I like my dresses to be, for summertime, to be bigger. I don't like anything to cling to me. It's just too hot, and that's just me. If you want your dress to fit a certain way, or you don't want it to be as free flowing, I would get your regular size in it. That's just me, and that's just how I like my dresses to fit. And also, I don't know how these are gonna wash, and that's another reason why I got them in a size large, because I don't know if they're gonna shrink or not. I'm not really familiar with this dress or this material from the free assembly line, because for the free assembly line or the well, wait a minute, and this is from Time and True. Well, I am familiar with Time and True because I've gotten a couple of things from Time and True, so they do hold up. So I haven't had a problem with Time and True, but not from free assembly or the scoop line. So I would recommend getting this. As I said, $22.98. It's nice. The colors are beautiful. I paired it with the yellow bag like I did. I did the same exact pairings with accessories that I did with the other items. So you'll see it styled here with the yellow bag and the yellow shoes. So you can see it goes perfectly and it's the ideal dress and the perfect dupe for the Macy's dress. And then next, girls and guys, I want to talk to you about, looking at my phone so I can give y'all the right information. This dress that I have on today. I absolutely love it. Now this dress is in comparison to the star dress that I talked to you guys about, the brown one. I paired it just like the same. You can see here in the cutaway, the same accessories. I love this dress. That dress was cotton, all cotton. This dress is 100% linen. It's black. What I love about this dress, check this out. This dress is from Scoop. It's called the bow back mini dress with puff sleeves. I love the sleeves, guys. I love the sleeves. They're absolutely beautiful. They don't, you know how some sleeves that have the ruching or the elastic in it right here, they stick to your arms and it's so uncomfortable. This one isn't. It feels nice. It's substantial. I love, love, love it. So now check this out. What's so nice about this dress is that the price is $22. That stud dress, I think I got it on sale for $125, something like that. I can't remember, but I will leave it in the description box for you guys. Or you can check that video and I'll leave it up here in the cards where I compare the dresses also. So I'll leave that video up here in the cards. So now, this dress, what the stud dress doesn't have, girl, it has the back out. It is stunning. And you can see in the cutaway, this dress is absolutely beautiful. It has the tie bow back. I think I can show you guys. Yeah, So you can see a little bit right here, but you can see it better in the cutaway. But it's absolutely gorgeous. And I love this dress. I love the way it feels. I can't wait to wear it. I'm getting ready to go on vacation, but by the time this video goes up, I'll be on vacation, and I'm taking this dress with me. As a matter of fact, I'm taking all of these dresses with me on my vacation because that's just how much I love them. So I will be taking each and every one of these dresses with me because I love them. And I also got this in a size large too because it's black. It's oversized. As you can see in the cutaway, it's really oversized. I could have went with a medium, but oh well, I'm keeping this large. I love it. It's nice, and I couldn't pump this dress up any more than what I already have. I mean, I'm loving this. This is probably my favorite out of the bunch, and out of the ones that I've shown you. I really love it. Also, I want to talk to you about these braids. I just had my hair redone because, you know, I just braided up in the summer because, like I told you, I'm natural. But the woman who does my hair, her name is Yvette. It's Shinewithyvette Braids, something like that. But I will leave it down in the description box. Girl, oh my gosh, she slayed my hair. I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. She did it longer than what she usually does. And then the curls on the ends, it's absolutely beautiful. Now, if you live in the Maryland, DC, Virginia area, she's in Germantown. So I will leave all of her information below, and you can contact her to get your hair braided. I mean, her prices are great. She's great. She's wonderful. She has a very sweet personality. I mean, I love her to death, and she does an amazing job. So contact Yvette and get your hair done. Also, remember in my future videos, I've also talked about glitz and glam jewelry. Girls, get yourself some jewelry. Everything on the site is $5. You cannot beat that. Go on there, just get yourself something just because you're a woman or a man, or because you do what you do every day, which is a lot. You work, you take care of the kids, whatever. Get yourself something nice from Glitz and Glam. $5. And this is not a paid video as well, you know, no promotions. Also, what did I want to talk to you about? Not only that, the jewelry is very nice. It holds up. I've worn a lot of their pieces. And then let's talk about She's a Vibe t-shirt. Let me tell you something. I worn that t-shirt into the ground. I just wore it yesterday. I'm going to have to talk to my friend and get me a new t-shirt. Let's support Mr. Vibes, and let's hook him up, and let's just buy his t-shirts. He's a Black entrepreneur, Black-owned business. Let's just buy these t-shirts, and let's just help each other out and support each other. Because in the day and times right now, we need to support each other and be there for each other. So thank you so much. This is all I have for you today. Thank you for coming back. Don't forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up, and share my video, because I'm trying to get to 200 subscribers by December. And I haven't forgot about you guys. Believe me, I am going to do a giveaway. I just need to get up there and pick something up for you guys that I really like. Like, I've been on the internet, but I don't want to just buy it off the internet. I just want to make sure that it's something that I would like and something that is right for you. I just want to make sure that I'm getting the right stuff and everything. So I will be back with you soon. I will be doing a giveaway soon. Stay tuned. The entry levels is going to be very easy. And thank you so much. And I'll see you again next Sunday. Right here, right then, right now, this time. Love you guys. Thank you. Bye.